I know we're all fiending for that big, long, and hard About Me beta feature on Discord. Mind you, I would love to have it. I know you'd love to have it. And anyone who has it loves to put in some cringy stuff, just like my admin on my Discord server. Link in the description. But as a tutorial guy on YouTube, I gotta give it to you straight. How do you get the About Me feature on Discord? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you can't. There are some videos on YouTube that say you can, and it's either a huge waste of time, and there are some videos that actually just steal your account information, which if you have your credit card on there, well, there you go. Now they have access to your credit card to buy a whole bunch of Discord Nitro gifts because that's what people want, I guess. Nevertheless, there is no way of getting this About Me feature on your own terms. You're going to have to win kind of a lottery through Discord. There is a rumored way of at least increasing your chances slightly in the lottery just so you can get the About Me feature. And that method is actually just downloading and using Discord Canary or Discord Development. And that's because Discord wants to look at your account and say, okay, cool, they don't mind dealing with experimental features. Discord doesn't want to roll out a feature that they decide to claw back from us because the community itself will have an absolute riot just like they did with the redesign. So if you want to at least increase your chances, I'm air quoting right now, but you can't see me, then download either Discord Canary or Discord Development. I'll have these links in the description and just use it for a while. I know this is a whole entire different category of video. I just wanted to put it out there because I know there are a ton of videos out there that are just totally trying to either waste your time or screw you over and steal your account. And I don't want that in the community. I always say on my weird Discord videos that, hey, this can get you banned, or hey, you have a really small chance of being banned, or hey, you're gonna get banned if you use this. Having that transparency is something we need on YouTube, and having people just kind of throw stuff out there and expect you to either figure it out yourself or just get screwed over by it is kind of pathetic. So at least use your noggin, think about it. Is it worth risking your account for a feature that you'll get in a couple weeks? Don't use those sketchy little method things. I know, I love sketchy stuff. I love going on the Russian torrenting websites, but this is a whole different level of sketch, and I would stay away from it.